What's up everyone, welcome to another video by CGF. So I got myself the iPhone SE 2020 a month back for $399 US. I've been using it as one of my primary devices so as to get a good picture of what's exactly happening with the budget-friendly iPhone. In this video, I would give my full review of how the iPhone SE 2020 has fared up till now after a usage of 1 month and who can benefit from this device. Until now, in the box we have found the charging cable, the wall charger, the lightning cable headphones, some manuals and of course the phone. Now let's get on with the review. In today's video, we will be covering the various changes iPhone has brought into the market with this budget-friendly phone regarding the design, the specs and of course the price. Talking about the design, it is the same design as was for the iPhone 8. I would further go to say that it is almost a lot familiar to the iPhone XS. The display size is 4.7 inches with 65.4 screen to body ratio. In a world where all the phones have a minimum screen to body ratio of more than 80%, Apple used the same parts from their iPhone 8 so as to save production cost. I think Apple overestimated their production of the iPhone 8 unit and had to use it somewhere else. Again, a great sales technique by Apple. Telling you frankly, whatever the design is, Apple will still end up selling their products to its fans out there. The display brightness was a concern when using the phone outdoors as you can barely see anything, so you have to bump it up to the full brightness when outside. The weight of the device is 148 grams, which is again similar to the iPhone 8. They have both single rear camera and vertically aligned flash along with a glass back. The only difference is the position of the Apple logo, which is lower on the SE to match the iPhone 11. The SE also comes in a red color, which replaces the iPhone 8's gold. Now coming to the main part, which is the performance of the iPhone SE 2020. This is the part where the SE starts diverging itself from the iPhone 8. The SE has Apple's newest A13 Bionic chip, while the iPhone 8 was powered by the A11 Bionic chip. That means the SE will be faster and smarter thanks to its third generation neural engine. The RAM on the phone is 3 GB and the storage starts at 64 gigs and goes up till 256. In the coming era, the 64 gigs is gonna get obsolete. The iPhone SE 2020 is again IP67 certified for water and dust resistance, which means you can get some good shots from your summer pool parties. Apple Pay via NFC is again a great feature and is distinct from other companies' gateway, as they have more bank options up their sleeves. The battery on the iPhone SE is 1800 mAh, same as on the iPhone 8. They also both have wireless charging capabilities and fast charging with an 18-watt adapter or higher, which you will need to buy separately. Now coming to the main feature of the phones nowadays, which is the camera. The camera has a smooth transition when switching between video or photo modes. The rear camera is a 12 megapixel lens, which when compared to previous models is far better with the help of the advanced software integration with the A13 Bionic chip. The portrait mode is again great on the SE 2020, which will help you get some awesome selfies. The iPhone SE has Touch ID button, which is again smooth, but the phone does not have a 3D face unlock, which is more secure as compared to the Touch ID. The phone has dual bottom-firing speakers, which are not a big deal in today's world. And the phone is also missing the 3.5mm headphone jack. Now to see who will benefit from this device. I would say people who are still using the older SE or people who are thinking of an upgrade over the iPhone 6 or 7. I'm saying this because the phone is almost similar to the iPhone 8 and still won't be able to beat the iPhone XR model. It's due to the smaller screen, the battery life and nothing to offer more in comparison to the XR. This phone would fit well with people who are on a budget and are wanting to explore the Apple ecosystem. On top of that, I would not recommend any person to change their phones to this model if you have an iPhone X or models above it. So that's it for the hands-on experience on the iPhone SE 2020. If you like my viewpoint or have a suggestion to make, kindly leave a like and a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are a gadget freak like me.